Yo, what's up, weirdos? Good morning, good morning. I apologize. Again, I am extremely sick. It's a struggle for me to talk, so bear with me, guys. I'm stuffy and my voice is gone and my throat, so bear with me, but I couldn't leave you guys hanging 2 days in a row. So, we got some things to discuss, guys. The M2 money supply absolutely exploding to the upside. Nothing but good things for Bitcoin and crypto. Let's have a look across the market. Jasmy up 0.5% on the day, down 8.7 on the week, up 17.5 on the month, but down 25.3 on the year, down one spot in rank to 82, $712 million market cap, 48 million in volume. Swift coin up 2% on the day, down 9.7 on the week, up 23 on the month, and up 154 on the year. We are down one spot in rank to 266, a $133 million market cap, 2.73 million in volume. I'd like to see the volume start to really spike to the upside here on Swift. I don't like it being down at 2.73. When it was running about a week and a half ago, the volume was up at about 48 million. So the volume is significantly lower right now than I would like to see. XCN Onyx coin up 2.1% on the day, down 12.7 on the week, up 55.7 on the month, and 791 on the year. We're down one spot in rank to 95, a $587 million market cap, and 41 million in volume. And Zebec down actually 4.2% on the day. We're up 3.8 on the week, down 13 on the month, and 58.5 on the year. Down 16 spots in rank to 385, $74 million market cap, 15 million in volume, right? So not bad. Sorry if I'm a little slow today, guys. Like I said, let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart. What's going on with Bitcoin? What do we need to watch for on Bitcoin? Okay, so right now, guys, we are sitting at $87,970. We broke above 88,000. We got to 88,486. So what do you need to watch for? Well, if we want to continue the breakout to the upside, we have to break through resistance at 88K, right? As you can see, resistance, rejection up here. So it's going to be a significant level of resistance here. It may take us a couple of days. Like, see how I explained to you guys back here that all of these wicks, remember we kept hitting this and I kept telling you guys it's a sell wall there. There's a lot of sell orders there, a lot of people taking profits, which is pushing the price back down again, right? But the more you chip away at that sell wall, the weaker it gets. And the weaker it gets, the greater your chances you're going to break to the upside. Same thing goes for support levels, right? So we ended up breaking through finally after what? 3, 6, 9 days. 9 days we finally broke out of it. And by the way, guys, we pointed out, I found this bull pennant right here about 3 days ago. And I said, no one else is talking about this bull pennant that's forming here. And it ended up breaking to the upside, just like anticipated. Here's my breakout target between 90 and 91K. So if we can break through resistance at 88, then we're going to hit our target. But worst case scenario, here's what you need to watch for, okay? You want to close above 86K. That is your worst case scenario. You do not want to fall back below there. It's fine if we close right where we are right now. Let's say we close around 87.9, 87.8, 87.7. Let's say we close there today, okay? That's fine. Even if we, on the next daily candle, come back down and retest this level at 86 as support, that's actually a good thing, not a bad thing, right? To confirm it as support, that would be great, because it was a significant level here, significant here, significant in here, right? So can we flip it into support? That would be a bullish thing to retest it as support. It's not necessary 100%, but it would be bullish if it happens, okay? Or maybe we break out. Maybe we close this daily candle above 88K. And then it's not just 88K though, right? As you can see, we have the 200-day SMA here as well. That's also going to act as a level of resistance from the looks of it, right? So yeah. But that's what you need to watch for on Bitcoin's chart, guys. If we go and we look, I want to show you something here real quick. Look at this for the M2 money supply. Look at this, guys. US M2 money supply close to all-time highs. Japan's M2 close to all-time highs. China's all-time highs. Euro all-time highs. Now I want to show you the global M2 money supply. Boom. Look at it go, you guys. Look at it go. We are way the heck up here. We are now into the first week of August. If Bitcoin continues to stay correlated as we have been here to the M2 money supply, guys, we are in for one hell of a fun ride over the next few months, right? I do not see it decoupling. It doesn't make sense for it to decouple at this point. But I mean, it's possible, but I don't think it's going to happen. Something significant would need to happen for that to be the case. But anyway, I digress. But here's the thing: inside of here, we do see a little bit of a dip right here, right? So that could be a little bit of a correction, a retest of 86K or something, a little bit of a downward before we take off. Possible. Doesn't have to happen, but it's entirely possible, right? Remember, Bitcoin is about 80% correlated to the M2 money supply, which means it has minor 20% deviations, right? As you can see right here, for example, right? This little dip right here, for example. So it doesn't always go 100%. It's an 80% correlation, which is great, because if there's an 80% correlation on this move, I'll take that all day long. And this isn't even done, guys. This isn't even done. By the time we get here, the M2 money supplies could be another 108 days ahead. So I think that this is going to keep running until it leads Bitcoin into September. I think this is going to keep running up until we get right about, obviously higher up, but right about here somewhere, right? It's going to run to the upside. It's going to run to the upside, right? But around here is where it will start to correct and come back down again, if you understand what I'm saying, right? So I think it's going to do this. Or I'll pull it down and I'll show you. I think it's going to do this, right? All the way up until the middle of September. And then that's where it's going to start to come down. So then Bitcoin's going to follow this trajectory in the altcoins, right? That's what I think is going to happen. We're going to see this run into about September. And then that would make this cycle more like what do you call it? The 2017 cycle, right? That's what it would be to me. Just a more straight shot to the upside, right? Because in 2017 we saw it was about a 3 or 4 month parabolic run, and then the cycle was over. And in 2021 we saw it took like 11 months, right? I don't think it's going to take 11 months this time. It can't take 11 months now, because that would lead us into 2026, right? That would lead us almost into the spring of 2026. That's not going to happen, guys, right? I think we're going to run up until about September, maybe even October, and then it's over, guys. The cycle is over, right? So as long as we continue to track this, guys, look at it, just continues to go to the upside. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. All right. I just got something quick I want to show you about Zebec here. Check this out, guys. Big news for Zebec. White Rock, the on-chain brokerage and tokenization platform backed by Trump's organization, World Liberty Financial, is combining forces with Zebec to launch an exclusive custom White Rock debit card powered by Zebec. Yes, you heard that right. Mr. T's organization, World Liberty Financial, combining forces with Zebec. Absolutely. Now, myself and a community member friend of the channel, my guy, Jetpack, we have been speculating about World Liberty Financial getting together with Zebec, an American-based decentralized finance project, right? That is right down Mr. T and World Liberty Financial's alley. We know that we have been talking about this, guys. Well, it's coming to fruition right in front of your faces. The White Rock card will be integrated across the White Rock platform, which serves 12,000 active users and secures over $200 million in total value locked. The White Rock card will include support for the upcoming USDX token, White Rock's native yield generating stablecoin. Made in USA meets real world utility. Let's freaking go, guys. Absolutely. So, listen, guys, we're doing a lot of training. Even while I'm sick here, we're doing a lot of training over on the Patreon right now, right? We're helping people become better traders and investors in this space. If that's you, if you want to become a better trader and investor, come over to one of the top educational Patreons in this entire crypto space, guys. We're there to help. We help you learn. We help you learn about hot wallets, cold wallets, tokenomics, tutorials on key websites you need to learn to use as tools in this space to be successful. You see these other content creators, they use these websites and stuff. You're sitting there going, "What? I don't understand. What website is that? How do I understand?" We teach you this stuff, guys, right? We don't want to give you a fish. We want to teach you how to fish so you can be successful in this space. That's the goal at the end of the day, guys, is to help people make life-changing wealth. So come on over. Highly educational community over there, guys. We have multiple chats that are buzzing 24/7. We do micro cap gem videos if you want to get in early on plays, and if you want to learn how to identify micro cap gems and stuff like that that you can find on your own. We also teach you how to do that over there. Again, educational videos. We're live over there every single day, and you can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally, guys, where you can get a second opinion on your portfolio, make sure you're not over or under diversified, make sure you're not holding, kind of crappier projects that are not going to get you the best ROI. Make sure your narratives are diversified in your portfolio as well. We've helped almost 29 people now. We've helped 29 people in our Patreon community in the last couple of months hit 7-figure portfolios, guys, and we're looking to keep that streak alive. So come on over, join the community, guys. We'd love to have you. Book your one-on-one coaching calls, join the live streams we have every single day, and so much more, guys. Check it out for yourselves. In worst case scenario, if you don't like it, you can leave, and you got a free one-on-one coaching call out of the deal, right? So there you go. Nothing to lose and everything to gain. All right, guys, that's it for me. Click the link down below. Also, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet. Get yourselves one today, guys. Not your keys, not your coins. Use our link down below. Get a fantastic deal. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.